Hey, welcome to Vortex Heaven. You've come to the greatest place in the world. So what I want to show you guys is what a vortex is and how you can benefit from it, why it's so popular. Basically, you have your portables, like those. The portables, you have to add the water, you have to take out the dirty water, they get filled up. When you're doing tile and grout also, the problem with a portable is when doing tile and grout, you're going through water 5 times faster than carpet cleaning. So with a limited amount of tank, even if it's a 10-gallon or a 12-gallon tank, you will have the fresh water empty right away and the wastewater fill right away. So you need a full-time employee just to be manually adding water and dumping the water. So it becomes somewhat of a task. So the way the Vortex was designed was to be a combination of a truck mount and a portable. So all the benefits of a portable, where it's small enough, but also the advantages of having a truck mount. So basically, the Vortex will be auto fill, auto dump. It'll have 800 PSI, 800 PSI, so you can do tile and grout. And it's not a problem doing tile and grout with this. If you couple the 800 PSI with a diesel heater and you get 200 degrees when you're doing tile and grout, that is better than using just cold water, even 1,000, 1,200 PSI water itself, because the hot water just makes things work better. The VORTEX LITE is basically a loaded machine. It's got all premium everything. Pump tech pumps. The motors are the mighty LX motors, not one, but 2 motors in each. Everything is just high quality. Like if you open it up, it's easy to open up. There's no fighting with anything. You will open it up and then, I'll show you. Just turn this, open it up. That's it. To open it up, things are on QDs. Everything is easy to work on. Even the wires, if something was to happen, you would just plug it and unplug it. Literally, there's nothing to it. It saves a lot of that downtime you'd have with a different kind of a truck mount. And it also will give you complete reliability, because you're not dealing with a lot of mechanical things like you would, like an engine and stuff. You can run it with electricity in a house, basically 2 currents. So you'd have one outlet here and one outlet in another room. As long as it's 2 different circuits, you can run it. Or you can plug it into a generator and just leave it in the truck. So there's that advantage. But the other advantage is, hey, what if you have a job that's not really truck mount reachable? What do? Can you take it out? Most truck mounts are bolted down, so that's a huge advantage. You take the Vortex, go anywhere. It actually has a wheel kit, and it goes in the back, and all you have to do is, let me see, there's this one, has one on there. This has a wheel kit on it. So all you do is basically just tilt it back onto the bed of the truck. This one's open. Just like this, and it slides right in. One person can do it. It's got 2 handles right there. So the big advantage is also the ability to take it out. But not only that, think about the winter time, the colder times. Even in the southern part of the US, it gets cold in the winter. You can just take it out, put it inside, so it's heated, so there's no freezing issues or anything like that. That further eliminates your downtime, and also the money you spend on getting it fixed, plus driving to the place to get it fixed, plus dealing with mechanics and all that other stuff. So I definitely think that this is the way to go for most people starting out and people expanding, because also the money situation, you're only at like 1/3 of the price. What can you do? You could just save that money for your working capital. Production wise, it's giving you the same thing: auto fill, auto dump, the 800 PSI pump, the insane vacuum, 150 feet away, no loss of vacuum. So you got that too. I think it's the best bang for your buck. And then getting it from Magic Wand Company, you know, you're gonna have problems. You're gonna have things. Maybe not machine-wise, but you know, you're gonna have questions. So when you get something, you need to get it from a company that really knows. My background really is, I started as a carpet cleaner. I built the company from nothing. I sold my carpet cleaning company for a lot. So I kind of have been there and done that. I'm also an IICRC instructor, so if you guys need help, you can call me at any time. I'm here at Magic Wand Company. We have great mechanics. There's a mechanic in every store, and you can call them and they'll walk you through things. And we have just tech support for like even silly things. Like if someone needs help doing some job, they want to just double check with someone. It's always nice to have someone who's been there and done that. So that's another advantage. And then again, we have so many things for you guys as far as starting out. So it's not just carpet cleaning. First of all, you carpet, tile, furniture with this, right? But you can also do other things. If you get the diesel heater, all of a sudden you can do pressure washing because you become a hot pressure washing machine. All you need is a pressure washer, hook it up to your diesel heater, you're ready to go. So you're doing like so many more businesses. And that's kind of what success in the beginning, you know, you don't know what business is going to be hot in your area. So getting a good package and getting a good company behind you is important for your success. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and give us a call.